Hi YouTubers, Chris Willett here from Notes from a Vagabond. Hope everybody's having a good day. Today I'm making a little movie about how to delete my photos off my iPhone. I used to be able to, plug in my iPhone to my computer, download my photos, and there'd be an option up there. Do you want to delete these pictures after they're downloaded? And I could say yes or no. For some reason that isn't there anyway more, so I got to go through and select the pictures to delete them from my phone. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this, so it's quick, easy. And then I just want to state this is the iPhone 6 Plus. It's running version 11.2, so if you do this and you got a different phone or a different operating system, it could be a little different, but I think this is pretty much how you can delete photos for most iPhones. So the first thing you want to do is download your pictures off your phone onto your computer or however you want to store them. After that, what you want to do is go into your settings menu and then go to general and then go to about, because you want to see how many photos you got there or videos, how much space you got there, so when this process is done you can check and see that you have extra space. That's usually why you want to delete your photos. Either you get so many of them and they're taking up so much space on your iPhone that you want to get rid of them. So I'll zoom in on that so you can have a better idea of what I'm talking about. So I go to settings here, and then I come down to general, and then I go to about. And now I can see that I got videos, I got 241, photos, I got 821, capacity, I got 128 gigabytes, and available I have 80 gigabytes. So those are the important numbers when I'm done to see that I got more than 80 gigabytes available. So to delete the photos, go to my camera, go to photos, all photos, and then I can go to all albums, and I can go to camera roll here, and then go to select, and then I can just start dragging. And for me, I got to go up a little further. So now I could drag, and then I could just hit the trash and delete them all. So another way to do it is go to your camera here, go to your photos here, then go to all photos up there, and then you can go to select, and this way you can select like just in bunches. Like if I wanted to keep these on the camera but didn't want that one, and then go up here and then select them all with this and select them all. And let's say I wanted a couple, let's say these here I wanted to delete, so you can and I want to select all those or select all those. So this is a way you can select some but keep some on your phone. And then if you want, then you'd go down to the trash can and delete them. Okay, so I've gone through and selected all the videos and photos that I want to get rid of. So now I could either add it to a collection, I could email it or send it somewhere else. But what I want to do is delete them. So I'm going to hit the trash can here, and it says delete 1,500 items. I go okay, and they are deleted. Okay, so we deleted the photos, but they're not really gone yet, because if we go to settings and we go to general and we go to about, we come down here, available 80.67 out of 128 gigabytes. That is what we started with. So the photos aren't really gone off the phone yet. So to get them totally gone, this is what you got to do. Okay, to completely delete them, because it all depends on your settings, how you got it set up. Some people leave the photos backed up for 30 days, or they're gone immediately, or however you have your setup. But mine usually leaves them on the phone unless I do this next step, which is I go to here I go to, it says no videos, but then you go up to all photos, go to album, and then you see your recently deleted. You go there, and then you go select, and you go down here, delete all. So I'm going to delete them all. Delete all. So now when we go to camera, photos, all photos, no photos or videos, albums, recently deleted, we see 0. Now if we go to settings, come down to general, come down to about, gigabytes available, 95.62, so we gained 15 gigabytes. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this movie, found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with other people, leave a comment, and best of all, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.